Girl, this is see-through. It's supposed to be like woo, but it's like do. It's giving what it needed to give. Hey everybody, my name is Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. I know that it's been a long time. Honestly, I'm not even gonna say it because you probably already know what I'm about to say. So I'm just not gonna. But anyways, today I'm bringing you guys a Pretty Little Thing haul, and it's a big haul. It's a big haul. Not one, but two bags of clothes. But yeah, this is a huge collective Pretty Little Thing haul. And when I say collective, I mean some of the stuff I ordered back in November. Some of the stuff I have worn before and I've taken pictures of them. And it's crazy because I've been planning to do this video for such a long time. Like when I first, like back in November when I was ordering stuff, I was like, ooh, I'm gonna do a haul. And I never did it. But it's okay though, because here I am doing a haul. But anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I will leave everything down below. Let's just get right into the video. So I'm gonna start out with tops, and I'm gonna put some pants on. Okay guys, so the first thing I have is this white bodysuit. It's just really cute. You can never go wrong with a white bodysuit, like basics. So the sleeves are like low-key like a little see-through, but then the torso part is not. It's double lined, so you can't see through it. If you don't want to wear a bra with it, you don't have to. I would say this fits true to size. I believe I got this in a US 6. I think I got this in a US 6, either 6 or 8. I'll have it on the screen and I'll have it down below. Okay, so next is this white bodysuit. This one isn't really a basic though. It is off the shoulder. It has like the little sheer sleeves, and it has this scrunch detailing going up the front, and then you just tie it at the top. It actually came like connected, which didn't really make sense to me, so I just cut it in half so I could tie it myself. Girl, this is see-through. It's really cute though. It's just this mesh bodysuit. It's really cute. I love like the print on it. I will say though, I feel like I should have got this in a 6. I got it in an 8. Like it doesn't fit snug like I would want it to. So the next item is this black bodysuit. It is see-through. It just has this like underbust detailing, and it's not like, there's no wire in it, so it's really just like thick stitching. So next I just got this orange cropped hoodie. I believe I got this in a medium. I love cropped hoodies. Everyone needs at least one, at least two. I also got the same hoodie in black, and this one low-key shrunk in the dryer, and like the sleeves are a little tight. It was a little smaller than it was before. The zipper is like, it's supposed to be like woo, but it's like do. The next item I got is this zip-up hoodie. I love the color. I feel like I'm gonna get more of these. Super comfy. I think I got this in a medium or a large. If I could wear this every single day, I would. I feel like I could live in this. This is like the definition of cozy and comfortable. This is a top. I took pictures in this top on my Instagram too. I wore it on my friend's birthday. It's just this like twist front, off the shoulder white long sleeve shirt. So this is the next top. It's just a strapless, what is this, like marble printed top, and this part is like actually a wire, but it's so cute. I feel like it helps to suck you in a little bit, but this is really cute. It just has a zipper in the back. I also have this long brown cardigan. This is a vibe. This cardigan is so comfortable. I have also worn this on my Instagram. Like, it's long, like almost all the way down to the ground. I'm basically all the way backed up, and I don't even know if you guys can see the whole thing. You can see it a little bit in the mirror. This is the material. It's like a chenille. It's really, really soft. Now my memory card was full. Next thing I have is this chocolate colored velvet button down shirt. It's really oversized. It's long. You can see like the texture. It's just so soft. It's like a sweater like shirt, and it has like a dip in the front and like at the bottom. It has slits in the sleeves, so it's like a bell bottom sleeve kind of with a slit. But you can see the texture of it. It's ribbed too. It's just really soft. The first pair of bottoms that I have are these, like, I think they're mom jeans. They're distressed like in the thigh and a big old hole in the knee, and then like a little bit at the very bottom. Y'all, look at this. What is this? No ma'am. Cut the cameras. Cut the cameras. But no, for real though, like, these are really tight. I feel like I can't sit down in these and be comfortable. The front is just so tight and like restricting. And then it makes me look like I have a pancake booty. These are kind of big. And it has like, I hate jeans like this. It has like 50 million buttons right here. These could be cute. These are like a medium wash jean with a lot of distressing in the legs and at the bottom. They are a little loose in the back. The next pair of bottoms I have are these sweatpants. They're just black sweatpants with a little embroidery right here. These did shrink though after I've washed them. I think I've washed them like twice, and they did shrink because they did fit like the other pair of sweatpants I'm about to show you. So just keep that in mind when you get these. The next thing I have are these plain gray sweatpants. I could live in these and that green sweatshirt. These ones, they didn't shrink as much as the other pair that I just showed you. So the first dress I have is this hot pink Bodycon dress, and it is long sleeve. It has a zipper in the front, and it stops like right under my butt, so it's a little short. Super cute. And here's the top detailing. It just has a zipper and a little PLT little it's like a patch. This dress is giving me shape, okay? Because look at this. It's giving what it needed to give. This next dress is like a date night going out dress. It's just this red dress with like ruching going up the front, and there's a little tie at the bottom with some ruffles, spaghetti strap. Now I will say this dress does not have any support, so you have to keep an eye on your girls at all times. This is another one of those dresses. The V in the front is like really low, so like if I let go, there's a possibility for a free show. When I wore this, I had to use a safety pin to pin it together. There's also some little strings in the front, and you can pull it more to make it shorter, but the dress itself is already short, so I would not make it shorter. This next dress is just like a green shift dress. I think that's what this is called. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Everything will be linked down below. I'll see you guys in my next video.